Good research is characterized by several points. These points ensure quality, reliability, and validity of findings, whatever findings we do in the research. Some of these are: we should have a clear goal. Before we start, we must know exactly what question we want to answer. We need not to be vague. Therefore, whatever is the research goal, that should be specific. For example, does eating breakfast improve exam scores? Not just how does food affect students. So how does food affect students becomes a very generalized one. Secondly, one should be a very good storyteller also. Storyteller with your research methods. For example, explain your research processes so clearly so that someone else should also be able to replicate the same study or exact results he should get. This allows other people to check the validity of your work and the build on your findings. This is called as replicability also. Second good point is use right tools. Make sure your research methods for collecting and analyzing the data or data sets are appropriate for your goal, whatever you want to achieve with your research. Therefore, always check your data for two things. One is validity, means are you truly measuring what you think you are? For example, does your survey on happiness actually measures the happiness? So there is a question mark, so you have to understand that. Second is reliability. Would you get the same results if you did the study again, or if someone else replicates the same processes, will he get the same results? Now we go to the third point. Let's the facts speak. Your conclusions must come directly from the data you collected. Researcher never try to make a story or jump to conclusion that our evidence or researcher evidence are not supporting. And another important point is be a good citizen. Your research should follow a strict code of ethics. This means researcher should protect the people he or she is studying, keeping their information private, and being honest about the research or about the methods or whatever processes you will be going to adapt or whatever you will do with their data. You should be transparent and inform them. Important another point is admit your flaws. No research is perfect. A good researcher is upfront about limitations, if any. For example, a small sample size or a certain bias. So be transparent. Tell or specify this thing also in your research that there has been a small bias or there has been some limitation, like you could not get much data. You should mention clearly about your study's weakness, and because it shows the sign of integrity. Then another point is contribution. Contribution of something new. Your research should add something useful to the world. It could be a new solution to a problem. It could be a fresh piece of information or a better way of looking at an old idea. Next is we should follow the steps as a researcher. Good research is a step-by-step process. So we should not try to skip any of the steps, because research is a systematic, organized, logical, meaning which makes sense, and empirical, meaning it is based on real world evidence, not just ideas. So these are the few important points, and this is all for today. Do share the video with other students as well, and if you have any query, do post in the comment box.